Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna see which browser will be used for our automation script. So let's get started. We can use any browser for automation script, for example Firefox, Chrome or Internet Explorer. But in this tutorial I'm gonna use Chrome browser to run script. Let's write our first script. In Pycharm, create Python file. Let's name it as first script. Let's import Webdriver from Selenium import Webdriver. We need Webdriver to initialize the browser. So let's initialize the driver. Chrome. It should be in caps. This command will only open the browser. Let's add web URL which we want to open in the browser. Driver.get and add URL here. I'm gonna add Google web URL. Let's run the code. Right click on the file and run first script. Here you are seeing the error, that is chromedriver executable needs to be in path. This error is appearing because we didn't set the chromedriver path for our script. First thing which you guys should keep in mind is that in order to run scripts in browser successfully, we need to install and set up the driver first. There is a driver for every web browser. For Chrome browser, we need to set up chromedriver. For Firefox browser, we need to set up driver. I have Chrome browser installed on my system, but I don't have chromedriver. This is why you are seeing this error. Let's talk about chromedriver. We'll talk about driver in another tutorial. One more thing to keep in mind is that the driver which you are using, it should be compatible with the respective browser version. If it's not compatible, then it will not work. Let's download the driver. In Google, type download chromedriver. Click on this first link. It will take you to the chromedriver download page. Here you can find chromedriver. As you can see, chromedriver is available for different browser versions, so select it according to your browser version. Let's check what browser version I'm using right now. For this, open Chrome and check the version, help and about Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm using 77.0.3 version, so I'll go with the chromedriver appearing against this browser version, that is this one. Click on it. Here you can see it is available for different OS, so download it according to your OS, Linux, Mac or Windows, whatever you have. For Windows, it's available for 32-bit, but it's work for both 32-bit and 64-bit. Click on it and download it on your system. As I have already downloaded it, so I'll go to the downloads. You can see it listed here. I have extracted it. Let's set up it. Copy this one. And now find the location where your Pycharm folder exists. So go to PC, C drive, users, HP, Pycharm projects. Here you need to create a folder named as labs. Now paste the extracted driver file here. Select it, right click on it, go to properties, and copy the path, location path. Okay, go to Pycharm, and in Pycharm add variable. Let's add variable, name it as driver location path, and paste the value against it. This one. Add name of the file, that is chromedriver.exe file. Basically it's exe file, so you need to add the exe extension here, and just escape all the backslashes so that it can find path correctly. Now set this value as environment variable. For this you need to import the OS. And write here os.environ and add the key here, that is webdriver.chrome.driver. It is the key and it should be correct. It should always be this. Don't change it. Provide driver location here, or the variable. Let's add variable and add it here as well. This one. All done. And now run the scripts. And see, it's working fine now. That's about it. We are all set. Guys, run this script on your machine and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for running this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.